Check this out.
Be taking our pod today, sir.
Quill, are you making your voice deeper?
You've seen that moment. Star-Lord trying to copy Thor's deep voice, because even he knows a deeper voice commands more respect. It sounds more confident, more dominant, more masculine. That's why he imitates Thor, and that's the power of a deep voice. So in this video, I'll show you 10 powerful secrets to develop a deep, confident, and masculine voice, naturally. 1. Humming practice. Start with simple humming sounds, like it helps you connect your voice to your diaphragm and unlock that natural depth in your tone. Do it every morning for a few minutes. It's like a warm-up for your vocal cords. 2. Correct tongue posture. Most people speak with their tongue pressed upward. That actually blocks the depth in your voice. Try keeping your tongue relaxed and slightly down when speaking. Pause this video for a second and try it. You'll feel the difference instantly. 3. Stay hydrated. Dry vocal cords equals weak, dull voice. Keep your throat hydrated by drinking enough water throughout the day. A hydrated throat keeps your voice richer and more controlled. 4. Speak from your diaphragm. Here's the big one. Never talk from your throat. That strains your voice and makes it sound higher. Instead, breathe deep so your stomach expands, not your chest, and speak from that power center. Try exhaling with a low hum while your stomach contracts. That's your diaphragm working. 5. Breathe through your nose. Stop mouth breathing. It's bad for both your voice and your jawline. Breathing through your nose filters the air, supports your vocal health, and keeps your tones smoother and fuller. 6. The pen exercise. Put a pen or pencil horizontally in your mouth and try speaking for a few minutes. It sounds funny, but it trains your mouth muscles, improves clarity, and makes your words sharper. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. 7. Strengthen your neck muscles. Your vocal cords are surrounded by neck muscles, especially the sternocleidomastoid. Weak neck muscles equals less control over your voice. So start doing neck extensions, rotations, and side bends. A stronger neck supports a stronger, deeper tone. 8. Boost testosterone naturally. Testosterone helps shape your vocal cords and adds that masculine depth. One of the best natural boosters? Sprinting. Do short, intense sprints a few times a week. It increases testosterone, burns fat, clears your skin, and sharpens your jawline all at once. 9. Close nose speech training. Here's an advanced trick. Close your nose and speak a few sentences. You'll notice a nasal sound. Now speak again without that nasal tone. This helps you find your real deep resonance and eliminates that thin, blocked sound. 10. Master your speaking style. A deep voice isn't just about pitch. It's also about how you speak. Slow down. Lower your volume slightly. Take pauses before and after you speak. People who speak calmly and confidently are always seen as powerful and attractive. Getting a deep voice isn't just about sounding better. It's about becoming more grounded, more confident, and more in control. It's one small part of looks maxing, but it has a huge impact on how the world sees you. So start practicing these steps today, and in a few weeks, you won't just sound different. You'll feel different. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and comment below which exercise you tried.